Welcome to the Kingdom of Onitsha, a city that is not just a geographical location but a living, breathing testament to the rich history and vibrant culture of southeastern Nigeria. Nestled on the banks of the majestic Niger River, Onitsha is a city that has witnessed centuries of change and development. The river itself is a lifeline, providing sustenance and a means of transport for the people who call this place home. For centuries, Onitsha has been a hub of culture, commerce, and tradition. Its markets are a bustling hive of activity, where traders from all over the region come to buy and sell goods. The streets are alive with the sounds of bargaining, laughter, and the rich aroma of local cuisine. The Kingdom of Onitsha was founded in the 16th century by King Eze Chima, a visionary leader who laid the foundations for what would become one of the most influential cities in Nigeria. His legacy is still felt today as the city continues to honor his memory and contributions. King Eze Chima was a descendant of the great Igbo king, Eri, whose lineage is deeply revered in Igbo culture. The artifacts and historical sites related to these figures offer a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Onitsha's past. Over the centuries, Onitsha has been an important center of trade and commerce. Its strategic location on the Niger River has made it a vital hub for the exchange of goods and ideas, attracting traders and merchants from far and wide. The river has always been more than just a body of water. It is the lifeblood of the city, facilitating trade and fostering connections between diverse communities. The markets of Onitsha are a testament to this, offering a vibrant array of goods that reflect the city's diverse cultural influences. Onitsha is known for its rich cultural heritage, which is a blend of traditional Igbo customs and modern influences. The city's cultural scene is a dynamic mix of the old and the new, where ancient traditions are celebrated alongside contemporary innovations. This unique blend is evident in the city's architecture, festivals, and daily life. Traditional Igbo ceremonies are held with great pomp and splendor, while the modern cityscape reflects the rapid development and growth of Onitsha. The city is home to numerous festivals and celebrations throughout the year, each offering a unique glimpse into the vibrant culture of Onitsha. These events are a time for the community to come together, celebrate their heritage, and pass on traditions to the next generation. One of the most significant of these celebrations is the Ofala Festival, which honors the king and the city's ancestors. This grand event is marked by colorful parades, traditional music and dance, drawing visitors from all over the world. The Onitsha monarchy is one of the oldest and most revered in Nigeria, with a history dating back centuries. The kings of Onitsha have always played a crucial role in the cultural and political life of the city, guiding their people through times of change and continuity. The royal artifacts and historical landmarks scattered throughout the city are a testament to this enduring legacy. They serve as a bridge between the past and the present, reminding us of the rich history that has shaped Onitsha into what it is today. The current monarch, Igwe Nemeka Achebe, is the 21st king of Onitsha. He has played a key role in promoting the city's culture and traditions, ensuring that the legacy of his ancestors continues to thrive in the modern world. Under his leadership, Onitsha has seen a resurgence in cultural activities and a renewed interest in preserving the city's rich heritage. His efforts have helped to foster a sense of pride and identity among the people of Onitsha. The Kingdom of Onitsha is a city steeped in history, culture, and tradition. From its ancient monarchy to its vibrant cultural scene, Onitsha is a place that is deeply rooted in the past while looking towards the future. The city's festivals, markets, and historical sites offer a unique glimpse into the rich tapestry of its heritage. Whether you are exploring the bustling markets, attending a traditional ceremony, or simply taking in the sights and sounds of the city, Onitsha offers an experience like no other. Onitsha is a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously, creating a unique cultural landscape that is both timeless and ever-evolving. It is a city that honors its history while embracing the possibilities of the future. Join me next time as I explore more of Igbo's rich cultural heritage. We will delve deeper into the traditions, customs, and stories that make this region so unique and fascinating. Until then, thank you for watching. May the spirit of Onitsha inspire you to discover the beauty and history that lies within every corner of this remarkable city.